Today at CRKT, we're taking a look at the sleek and simple Pilar. It's an everyday carry pocket knife that those with a well-trained eye can tell this is a Jesper Voxnäs design. He's always wanted to keep things simple, yet interesting. The unique blade shape of the Pilar is great for a wide range of slicing, cutting, and moderate chopping tasks. Overall, this knife measures in at just under 6 inches. The blade is about 2.4 inches long, and this is a compact knife that's lightweight. The weight is about 4.2 ounces, and that's 119 grams. This modified Warncliffe blade style is complete with a satin finish that complements the overall design of the knife well. It also has a large, comfortable finger choil at the base of the blade to give you maximum cutting control. The frame lock keeps the blade lockup solid and safe when open, and the thumb slot here on the blade makes it super easy when opening and closing. The stainless steel handle has an attractive bead blast finish, and it feels really solid in hand. A reversible clip on the handle side makes for a low-profile tip-up or tip-down carry. There's also a hole at the base of the handle for a lanyard. The story behind the name on this one is pretty cool. Jesper named it after a famous author, Ernest Hemingway's 38-foot-long boat that he used for renegade surveillance of German U-boats during World War II in the Caribbean. Apparently it was Jesper's thought that if Hemingway himself were to choose a modern and useful everyday carry knife, it would look something like this one, so he named it the Pilar. Join us in our social media community. Use #ConfidenceInHand. And thank you for choosing to carry CRKT Knives and Tools.
This is the Kettlebell by Gerber. The Kettlebell offers a surprising amount of utility in a compact format. The dual choil offers superior grip and control. 7CR stainless steel is tough, holds an edge, and is corrosion resistant. The The kettlebell is available in anodized gray and green. Dual thumb studs offer left or right hand deploy. The frame lock offers secure lockup and is easy to close. The pocket clip offers tip-up blade position for confident carry. Also included is a lanyard hole. The kettlebell offers the EDC user modern design and strong utility in a compact format.